Welcome to Codocrux. I am Gandharva.
And I am Bhavesh, and today we will look at an interesting problem. So this is a logical reasoning problem, and even it has came in a competitive exam such as SSC CGL. But we are going to see a different approach. We are going to try to code it out. So the problem statement says if one factorial, that exclamation mark is a factorial sign. So if 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on till 100 factorial, if this summation is divided by 8, then what will be the remainder? Now, those of you who don't know what a factorial is product of an integer and all the integers below it. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is actually till 1. 4 into 3 into 2. For 5, it will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1 factorial is 1 and 0 factorial is also 1, although it's not needed. So this is what a factorial is, and this is our problem statement. Let's code it out.
Yes, now let us code it out. So we will be defining a variable product which is initialized to 1 because any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. Now we will be running a for loop in it. We have to take it till 100. So we'll have to put the ending limit as 101 because it will stop at 100 and it will start at 1. So what you want is product, oh, product is equal to product times I. So this will multiply each number by the number itself and by all the numbers below it. So from here we got factorial. Now we have to add it up. So for adding, we'll have to define another variable, that is sum, equal to, let us initialize it as 0 because any number added to 0 gives the same number. So we will simultaneously add the number sum equal to plus product.
Yes.
So now we have product. We have in this step we have found the factorial, and in this step we are adding all the factorial. So now we will be printing a final answer. Print the remainder when divided by 8 is will be some percent 8. So this percent sign in Python just gives the remainder of the program. So when I hit enter, coding part seems okay. Let us run it. So yeah. So this is our answer. That is 1. So when 1 factorial plus 2 factorial up to 100 factorial is added, the answer will be 1. Well, that was it for Codocrux today for this video. This was a very good problem. Appeared in many competitive exams as already mentioned. So stay tuned to Codocrux. Please hit like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss any of the cool stuff out there. Well, thank you and feel free to comment us. We would love to reply each one of you. Thanks a lot.